everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm going to show you my Harry Potter collection. It is going to feature all of the new charms, so we'll try to spend a little bit more time on those since those are the newer ones. But I did kind of want to just show the overall collection that I have and then how I'm styling with them. So we will start with this bangle. Now this bangle I did not get when the last collection launched. I actually just got it now. I did it because I needed to get a bracelet so that Presley could get the Stronger Together charm. And since I was buying Harry Potter, why not get the bangle? I got it in the size 17. I tend to not put charms on my bangles, so this is just kind of to use as a stacker. The thing I did not know, and I don't know how I missed this from everybody else's videos, but the wings move. I had no idea. That is just like game changing for this bracelet. Like it's just a cool added detail that they did. And then of course, I know most of you have already seen this. It is engraved with I open at the close. I do feel like this bracelet is like a must-have for any diehard Harry Potter fan. The next design that I have to show you is on a sliding bangle. So Rita at A Charmed Dreamer has me addicted to these sliding bangles. They are so comfortable. I just love them. Almost as good as the open bangles, but not quite there yet. But I really do like this, and it's really good for stacking and for mini designs. So on this design, I have the geometric shapes clips on here. And then if you watched my Jared haul video, you know that I bought the Hogwarts castle charm to complement the newer button charm. And I am just still so in awe of all the detail on this one. So while most of you are familiar with it, we'll just get a quick little overview. Those sunburst or the starburst cutouts, so cool. And then we have the icons button charm, and you have Hedwig and the lightning bolt and the glasses and the Nimbus 2000. Such a cool charm the way they did this. And then of course you have Harry Potter here. I did want this to be like mostly an all silver bracelet, but you do have the tiny little golden snitch having a little golden stone on there, and that's fine. It doesn't take away too much from it being silver. And then the Deathly Hallows dangle is so beautiful. This, if I could have only gotten one charm, it probably maybe would have been this one. I absolutely love this. And then after I wore it, I realized on the back that Pandora added little starbursts to the back. Like it's so small, so we're kind of like zoomed in here. But usually in the back of CZs, you just have like something round. This is literally starburst cutouts that match the cutouts on these button charms. So good job, Pandora, adding a little bit of extra detail that pretty much can go unnoticed. This is this design. I have been wearing it every day since I've designed it. Again, this bracelet is so comfortable and I just love the design. Here is my final bracelet design for Harry Potter, and if you saw my first video, you know that I had the 3 characters and I had them with these ogres, and that was like my design. I loved it. I didn't want to mess with it. But then when I got these new pieces, I really wanted to put them together. So I did end up using Pandora's smooth bracelet. I had to use the smooth because these ogres are small core and will not fit on anything threaded. So this is the new design. We'll take a look at some of these pieces one by one, spending more time on the newer one. There's our little Dobby. He's such a cutie. I still love that he has the little sock in the back. He's too cute. He does, like whenever you have him, he does tend to lean forward. So on my open bangle, I'd put a little silicone thing in his head. I might do that again on this one. Here is one of the newer dangles, and this is Hedwig. He's kind of at like a side angle. He's got his wings spread out. He's got some enamel detail to show you some of his feathers. And my favorite part of this is the letter that he's holding. Love that little tiny little red detail of enamel on the letter. And then the back of him, you just see more of the black enamel detail on his wings. It is really such a beautiful charm. And of course, my ogre beads, so beautiful. This was a Christmas gift from Emily, and I just love these ones. They're so pretty. Anything with pixie dust in it, I'm like obsessed. If you're watching this video, I am sure you are familiar with Harry Potter. Here's his little character charm. Those ogres, I feel like match his scarf perfectly, which is why I didn't want to separate them. Here is the newer Dangle 2, and again, you have some of the like iconic things from the movie, such as Harry's glasses, his Nimbus 2000, and the lightning bolt. And you can see here that it is tri-toned. So we have silver, Pandora, rose, and shine, all represented in one charm. And then the sorting hat. I feel like this is just such a staple from the movie to have the sorting hat. Has the sorting hat told you what house you belong to? It's told me I belong to Ravenclaw, which I'm not sad about. So I do have the Ravenclaw dangle, but it's on my like me bracelet, so not featured in this one. This charm has, like, you could tell it's worn. It's got all of its stitches. It's so wrinkled. I absolutely love it. Also, speaking of this charm, you guys need to check out Nath's Jewels Instagram. She made an IGTV comparing this sorting hat to the one that Genos did, and it's just a really cool comparison video. So I'll link that below for you to check out. But I absolutely love this charm. It does sit a little funky. Like, I don't know how I want it to sit exactly, but I don't know. It's not my favorite from how it like fits on the bracelet, but it's okay. It still has to be on here. Of course, another ogre. And then we have the acceptance letter, because I almost didn't get this one. And I think it's a lot of people's favorite charm, and I'm glad I got it. There you have the little crest on the letter. And then literally, like, this whole thing is just engraved. Let's open this up here. So you have how it's addressed to Mr. Harry Potter, the cupboard under the stairs. So awesome. And then you have the actual letter here, and it continues on the back. So awesome. So I'm so glad I did it. I would have been sad if I didn't have it. And then we finish up this design with Hermione, and she's one of my favorite charms. I love her hair on here. She's just the cutest. And oh, love the hair. It's perfect. So there you go. That is this design that I currently have. It's backwards. Yeah, I absolutely love it. I love this one that's a little fuller of charms. I've been wearing the smaller design though nonstop. It's absolutely my favorite, especially to stack with. I'm wearing it today for Stack It Saturday. But anyway, let me know what you think about the Harry Potter collection. Are you happy with the new charms that they came out with? If so, what is like the one you have to have out of the collection? I think mine is the Deathly Hallows, but I want to know what yours is. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing. We'd love to have you. Thank you so much for watching. See you all next time.